Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. Now today I will show you top 3 best free AI tools for dropshipping on Shopify. Now some of these tools are obviously paid, but they have a free trial. So I just want to say this before we get started with the video. So first one on this list is called AI Powered Shopping Assistant. Now this has a free plan available. Obviously additional charges may apply. Now as you can see, it's not a salesperson, not just a chatbot. It understands basically you and your customers, and you have no training required, and you have available 24/7 to meet customers' needs. As you can see, the characters looks, sales style and model, this is how they look like. You can obviously customize that. You have initial in-store sales, follow-up email sales as well. So you have end-to-end sale automation, and then you have real-time analytics as well about customers and transactions. So basically, the AI is learning about every single step that your customer take. This is basically a pretty new bot. It has 5 0 ratings, 96 reviews, and yeah, this basically is used to increase sales conversion with your own AI powered shopping assistant. So definitely great to use. You can install it for free. Obviously it's $50 a month, but you can also do it for free with 50 sessions of AI serving customers per month, which is great for new stores. Second AI tool on this list is called SEO, and this is SEO AI SEO optimizer. So if you want to rank on SEO and if you want to rank on Google and you don't know how to do SEO, this AI tool can help you out with just that. So as you can see, it's AI powered SEO tool to optimize organic traffic, 24/7 support. You can save pretty much thousands of dollars because this tool will actually lets you optimize everything by itself. And as you can see, you have advanced on-page SEO, so you have one-click scan your website SEO issues. You can optimize image size and image alt text as well, which is great. So you can resize your images. And then it also boosts traffics and sales with best Google practices so that your content from your store ranks on Google. Now there's a bunch of different things that you can also do with this, but this is a very, very good app. 4.8 reviews or rating, 700 reviews, but they have a 7-day free trial, so you can only use it for 7 days for free. So this one is obviously paid one, but I just wanted to kind of show you because this one is a very powerful app. Now third app on this list is called Live Chat and AI Chatbot. Now this is a free to use chatbot that has AI built in. Now as you can see, this is how the backend of this chatbot looks like. You have built-in live chat, email, Facebook Messenger, email marketing, abandoned cart recovery, customer reviews, and more. So you can engage with your customers, and you can set up AI to basically do all the work for you. You can view the entire customer's journey, track customers' links, see shopping carts live as the customer shops, and complete view and control of past orders. So you can do pretty much a lot of different things right here. Easiest setup ever. Again, simply tell us about your store and your AI staff will be trained. How crazy is that? It's really amazing. And yeah, it's completely free for 30 human-like messages written by AI staff and 50 SMS notifications, and also unlimited monthly active users. So these are the 3 apps that I would recommend to anyone that wants to get free AI tools for dropshipping on Shopify. Obviously this one is paid, these 2 are free, they have a free plan. So yeah, if you want more tools just like this, and if you want more Shopify tutorials, definitely check out our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.